Hello and welcome to another episode of This versus That. Today we're going to talk about the difference between a general lien and a specific lien. So let's dive on into it. First up, general liens. A general lien is not restricted to one property. So we can take a general lien and attach it to multiple properties that an individual or entity may own. An example would be a judgment lien. If you get in a car accident and the judge awards a financial judgment, you can take that and get a lien against any property that's owned by the individual or the entity. Another example is a federal income tax lien and the federal estate tax lien. Two examples of the general lien can be placed against any property that an individual owns, and typically is not generated by that individual property, if you will. Now, on a specific lien, it only applies to a specific property and is generally created because of some action with that property. A property tax lien is a specific lien. It's unpaid property taxes for that specific property. If you're unpaid property taxes for 123 Main Street, you can't. The county can't go and get a lien against other property without first suing you to get that judgment lien. Same thing applies with special assessment liens. Now we're talking here about municipal special assessments, not homeowners or condos associations. These are things that are levied against the property by the municipality, like a city or a county, for like street paving, water hookups, sewer hookups, that type of thing. Another example, the vendor's lien. This is, again, much like a mortgage, except when this is seller financing involved, that applies to the specific property. Also, construction or mechanics lien. If you have a pool installed at 123 Main Street, the lien that the pool company can get, the construction lien, is only going to be against 123 Main Street. They can't go and apply that to other property that you may own. So that's the difference between a general lien and a specific. So think general, all property, generally any property that someone owns. Specific is typically created by that property and it can only be applied to that specific property. I hope this helped you in studying for the state exam. Don't forget, you can see more of our videos on our Facebook and YouTube channel, so be sure to hit that subscribe button so that way you're notified of any new videos that are posted. Also, be sure to check out our courses on our website, onebluerealestateschool.com. We have a great on-demand course with hundreds of practice questions, over 200 short videos, flashcards, and so much more to help you get ready for the state exam. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.